The Confucian Lecture Hall in Beidongye village of Shandong province was packed with villagers on Saturday morning. 10 years ago, the first Confucian Lecture Hall was established in the village, which is not far from Nishan Mountain, the birthplace of ancient Chinese philosopher Confucius.
俺乡亲就说讲堂呢是从2013年开始的，通过这几年的学习啊，老百姓的觉悟确实有了不少提高，老百姓的精神面貌也发生了不少改变。通过这几年，村里呢变化也不少，村里环境卫生这个变化好了，邻里之间的关系变好了。
我一名义工，每次周六来这里和乡亲们度过一个愉快的周末。从这开始到现在将近10年了，来到这里就像来到家里一样，感觉到很温暖。
Over the past 10 years, Shandong has established over 22,000 Confucian lecture halls in rural areas and conducted over 120,000 cultural activities yearly. Many are hoping that their efforts would reintegrate the essence of traditional Chinese culture into rural areas and stimulate the fundamental vitality of Chinese civilization.
我们将不断丰富授课内容，持续高效开展儒学讲堂活动，强化群众互动，让群众真正切身感受到传统文化的魅力，让优秀传统文化真正走进群众心里。